Welcome back. As the rebirth of Magnum continues, we take a little time out in the beautiful California sun to do a walk around. We got the butt lift going on well. Everything looks good. It's holding up very nicely, although I'm on my third diffuser because the car sits too low. And I also bottom out going over crests like driveways and speed bumps. I gotta be careful with that. The front end is okay. It's getting replaced. It will be a whole new setup coming soon, but until then, we're good. Did the rear fog lights, the addition I've been wanting to do forever. It turned out really well. Used the wheeling LEDs, LED modules. Those are actually police lights, but they can be programmed to come on steady at the switch, programmed in with the fog light, the front fog lights. So it works like it's supposed to. You know, you can't turn those on unless the front fog lights are on. Usually for inclement weather, rains, fog, things like that. That's when you run those. Works well. Again, also with the new front end, we're going to get new headlights. They're being worked on right now as we speak. And they'll be in the mix very, very soon. But the new front end, well, let me just go through it. This is how the car looks now. Standard stock Magnum SRT8 front end. We did a little carbon fiber treatment to the nose and custom headlights and the kind of sunken in and disappearing fog lights. But this bumper is got the little strips on the side, which I don't like. So we're looking for a piece that's going to eliminate that. And come up with a little solution, something I've been wanting for a long time. You see, this was the bumper that I had originally fell in love with. It's the 1114 SRT8 Charger lower with the Magnum SRT8 upper and grille. That is the design I've wanted for many, many years. The company JFab sold me the bumper, took my money, and ghosted me, as did a lot of other people. So nobody ever got this. Now this bumper, this picture right here, I've stated before that it is a Photoshop. This car never existed with this particular front bumper. This was from a regular stock Magnum SRT8 for sale in Cleveland a few years back. They took the picture from the for sale image and photoshopped the lower half of the bumper onto the car. Did a fine job. I mean, it looks great. It looks real. It looks like it's something you can really get, but it never existed. So I got together with the creator of my rear bumper, which is a late model 2019 Plus Charger SRT8, not SRT8, Hellcat wide body rear bumper. Made it to the Dodge Magnum. That will be LabAuto out in Houston, Texas. That is the Magnum Whisperer. Anyway, the gentleman out there, Deon, is working on the front bumper for the Magnum to fill the void left by JFab. And this is kind of what it looks like so far. It's basically Magnum upper and a nice, we're not going to really say who we got the bottom one from, but it looks a lot like what I wanted before. Now I plan to do a one-piece grill with it and maybe a couple other little things. That one that the first image there was the stock for the SXT that's coming up now. Now this is based on an RT nose. The RT nose is very different from the SRT8 nose, so we're gonna have to do some little tricks here to make it look unique and not give it the RT vibes when we're not dealing with an RT car. But anyway, I did a little Photoshop touching to this particular image, and I managed to take away the little strips on the corners because the back bumper doesn't have them, so I don't want the front to have them either. And this is what it's going to look like once the final product is done. For the most part, the Photoshop grill will be a real grill. So anyway, it's being test fit right now on some other vehicles at the shop down in Houston, and this is how it's looking great. My man's doing a fantastic job. So that's it for now. The Rebirth of Magnum continues. The new face will be on soon. Until then, we're going to keep carving up the roads and doing some power adders in the near future. But until then, we'll keep it pushing, man. Thank you for watching.